Good morning, guys. How can life get better than this? Now, it's about 6:45 a.m. I'm driving down from the airport. Just went and I dropped off my relatives going back to Florida. And of course, y'all know Hurricane Elsa is in Florida. Well, approaching Florida. Looks like Guyana is having its own Elsa. At the airport this morning, the sunrise was so beautiful. And look what's going on here right now, boy. I've never seen these kind of clouds. It is not normal. White cloud and a dark cloud. It looks like we're having a storm coming in from the Atlantic Ocean, which is going to be the northeastern side of Guyana. Boy, this is crazy. Vicinity of our Stellan area here. On the east bank, now approaching Providence. You can see the west side is a little bit clear. There goes sparkling things. I think I want to pull over to show you guys a more detailed view of so you can see, clear skies there, a little bit clear. Earlier this morning, as I mentioned, the sunrise was so beautiful. You will see on my main video, it's Our Life ARD. And look at that stuff there. I don't know what is that, but it's a dark cloud blowing through there very, very fast. The clouds are moving very fast, which means like heavy winds. And I can feel some vapors, like it's going to be raining shortly. Look at what's going on there, boy. Wow. Look, birds flying away. That's how I know when there's a storm. The birds fly away from the storm. So you can track it and you can know, well, hey, what direction the wind blowing and where the calmness are. Look how beautiful this side is. See that? And as I turn this way, look at the Guyana flag, how it's flying there right now. So this is heavy wind, and imagine the wind above. So we are actually seeing some effects here of Elsa. I hope my relatives, they're heading back to Florida. I hope the flight in get cancelled or delayed. Man, cause they got about 17 suitcases with gilbacus, snapper, trout, catfish, you name it. 17 suitcases, alright? So, hey, Mikey, what's going on, boy?
Tired.
Mikey looked tired. We got up since 2:30 this morning. Take my relatives to the airport. They heading back to Florida because they want to get to Florida to Miami before Hurricane Elsa. I pray for them and I wish that everything goes well and they make it down to Miami and the flight don't get cancelled, you know. But hey, nonetheless, this is something strange happening in Guyana. It's not normal, it's not common. It's new to me now. This kind of weather pattern, you know, this weather pattern really started like about a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, where we seen these crazy clouds. Never used to be, you know, climate change is real, global warming is real, and we need to do something to save the world, alright? So, there's a little intro of what's going on here in Guyana. Today is Monday, and it's CARICOM Day. I want to wish all Guyanese and all Caribbean people CARICOM Day, happy CARICOM Day. I think CARICOM Day is a day like today, Guyana became a CARICOM country. So, hope you're being safe, you're staying positive. Take care of you and those around you. God bless you. Peace out, and I'm going to see you on another event or another adventure.